What is A1 when you plug in that bottom number into 3 to the n minus 1?
-0.
No.
3. 1.
It is 1.
Oh, yeah.
Because 1 minus 1 is 0, and 3 to the 0 is 1. Now, what happens when you plug in a 4 in for n? What is an? You're going to plug this in here. What is an?
27.
81.
27. And what is r? R in these equations, even if there's a number here, let's say there was a 2 here, which there isn't, but let's say there is, the r is the number that has the exponent on it. So in this case, it's 3. It's a 3. Okay, so it's the guy with the exponent. That exponent only belongs to the 3. See over here with that first formula, that an formula, that a1 does not have an exponent on it, only the r. So whoever has the exponent on it, unless there's parentheses, it just goes to that number, okay? So we're just going to put it in the formula, and the formula is Sn equals, let's use that last one, a1 minus an times r over 1 minus r. We just plug in 1 minus 27 times 3 over 1 minus 3, which is 1 minus 81, which is negative 80 over negative 2, which is 40. So the sum of that should be 40. If you pick a formula with an n, how do you find n?
It's given in.
It's the top minus the bottom plus 1, which is a 4, okay? So you remember how to find n. So here they want us to find a1. So you need to find a formula that has an Sn, an an, an a1, and an r, which is the one we just used, that third one. So Sn equals a1 minus an times r over 1 minus r. And then we plug everything where it goes. Let me change colors here. Just 1275 equals a1, don't know him yet, minus 640 times 2 over 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1, right? So if you cross multiply, you get negative 1275 equals a1 minus 1280. When we add 1280 to this side, we get a1 equals 5.